Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, Ukeli Kumalo recently turned 40 years old, guys. She recently turned 40, and these are the pictures that she posted on her Instagram. And then she also wrote Kesana as a caption, Ukutiena, she is now a certified healer. She is a certified healer, guys. Like, I am so shocked because all along Ukel has been attending a court case wabosenzo meyiwa. I'm thinking to myself, when did she go to Twasa? Or maybe, guys, please correct me if I'm wrong. And then someone also posted her name, shared the picture Instagram stories and wrote Makosi, and she also shared that picture also. So she is a Makosi now, guys. Because at first, when I saw that caption saying certified healer, I thought, okay, maybe, like, guys, being a healer doesn't mean that we sangoma, right? Doesn't mean we Makosi and stuff. So I thought maybe I man. And then when she was sharing that picture, Epaluguti Makosi, I was like, you know what? In South Africa, you can be anything that you want to be.